Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add sitemap to Google Search Console. At the moment, you can see that I'm logged into Google Search Console. Next, you want to tap on Sitemaps from the options on the left-hand corner, as it's quite straightforward, and you'll be led to this page. And to add your sitemap is quite easy. All you'll simply do is type in sitemap.xml, as you can see right here, and you'll simply tap on submit. Now you could add a plugin to your WordPress website to make this happen automatically, and I would recommend that you simply go onto your website, tap on plugins, and then you'll simply tap on add new, and the plugin that you're going to download is Google XML Sitemaps, and this will automatically update your sitemaps, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.